हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू प्रगति बैच क्लास 19। आज हमारी 19th क्लास है। एग्ज़ाम आपका आने वाला है तो अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन करिए। सभी को बेस्ट ऑफ लक। इसके अलावा आज हम लोग एक लीगल मैटर लिखने वाले हैं। स्टार्ट करते हैं। गेट रेडी। 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। द appellants carry on business in rolling steel at Gobindgarh stop. They purchase steel scrap and steel blocks and convert them into rolled steel sections. Stop. The assessing authority imposed purchase tax at the rate of 2% on the purchase of steel scrap and steel blocks made by them during the period April 1, 1958 to March 31, 1959 for making rolled steel section and selling the same. Stop. The appellants filed petitions under Article 226 of the Constitution in the High Court for appropriate writs for quashing the orders of the assessing authorities and prohibiting them from levying purchase tax on the goods purchased and for refund of the tax illegally collected from them. Para. A void act was non-est and therefore could not be brought into force by an amending act. Stop. It is subject to the conditions mentioned therein as a taxing event was ultra vires the state legislature in as much as the transaction defined therein was not a sale within the meaning of that expression. Stop. Schedule to the Constitution was in fact an excise duty in as much as it was imposed on the production of oil in the array of purchase tax. Stop. The said amendment was also bad in that it made an unreasonable discrimination in the matter of taxation between the same classes of goods based on the character of the purchaser. Para. There, the majority held that the levy therein was a tax, that the fixing of a rate of tax was not of the essence of legislative power, that the fixing of rates might be left to a non-legislative body, and that when it was so left to such a body, the legislature must provide guidance for such fixation. Stop. The majority held in that case that such a guidance was found in the monetary needs of the municipality for discharging the functions entrusted to it under the Act. Stop. It is not necessary to scrutinize the correctness of this statement having regard to the decisions relied upon for this court, but made it clear that such a power to fix the rates must be supported by some reasonable guidance given under the Act whereunder the said power was conferred. Para. Obviously, it cannot abdicate its functions in favor of another. Stop. But in view of the multifarious activities of a welfare state, it cannot presumably work out all the details to suit the varying aspects of a complex situation. Stop. It must necessarily delegate the working out of details to the executive or any other agency. Stop. But there is a danger inherent in such a process of delegation. Stop. This self effacement of legislative power in favor of another agency, either in whole or in part, is beyond the permissible limits of delegation. Stop. It is for a court to hold on a fair, generous, and liberal construction of an impugned statute whether the legislature exceeded such limits. Stop. But the said liberal construction should not be carried by the courts to the extent of always trying to discover a dormant or latent legislative policy to sustain an arbitrary power conferred on executive authorities. Stop. ये एक हमने लीगल मैटर लिखा है. अब आप इसको ट्रांसक्राइब करिए, अपनी गलतियों को चेक करिए, और एक चीज़ ध्यान में रखिए कि एग्ज़ाम होने तक डेली आपको सिर्फ डिक्टेशंस लिखने हैं, और डिक्टेशन को उस टाइम पर ज़रूर लिखना है जिस टाइम पर आपका एडमिट कार्ड में एग्ज़ाम का टाइमिंग लिखा हुआ है. इससे आपका एग्ज़ाम तक माइंड जो है वो प्रिपेयर हो जाएगा उस टाइम को लेकर के. इसलिए इस चीज़ को फॉलो करिए. इसके अलावा टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन कर लीजिए. वहाँ पर मैं आप लोगों के साथ एग्ज़ाम रिव्यू भी शेयर करने वाला हूँ. जैसे ही आपका एग्ज़ाम होगा, आपका कुछ ही देर में मैं आपके साथ वहाँ पे रिव्यू शेयर कर दूँगा. वीडियो तो बाद में आएगा, पर जो टेक्स्ट फॉर्मेट में है वो रिव्यू आपको पहले ही मिल जाएगा. इसलिए आपको उसको ज्वाइन कर लेना चाहिए, जिससे आपको पहले ही पता चल सके. अगर आपका सेकंड शिफ्ट में एग्ज़ाम होने वाला है तो फर्स्ट शिफ्ट का एग्ज़ाम का रिव्यू आप देख पाओगे, आपको एक आइडिया लग जाएगा. आज की क्लास यहीं पर एंड करते हैं. आपको कोई भी डाउट है या क्वेरी है तो कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हो. इसके अलावा पर्सनली टेलीग्राम की आईडी भी मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे रखी है, उस पर भी आप मुझे मैसेज कर सकते हो. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू एवरीवन एंड गुड बाय.